Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the white screw for the top of your broiler drawer. The reason why you would have to do this is because your screw is lost or damaged. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. So the screw we're going to be replacing is the top screw for the broiler drawer. And as you can see here, the screw is missing, which makes the drawer loose. So what I'm going to do is make sure that our hole is lined up here. And now that it's lined up, so you can grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now, just screw it in. The door is now on there nice and tight, not wiggling around. So you can close the drawer, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.